Yes. It's a giraffe. Here is Landon playing with the new Chuggington wooden railroad set. It is Koko's Safari set, and it's made by Tommy. Landon is a big train person. Oh my gosh, she went off the rail. Landon is really big into trains. Yes, a little giraffe. What else is there? What other kind of animals? There's a monkey hanging up there on the tree, right? Koko's going through the gate. Whee! Now she's going to go over there. Is she going to pick up the cargo? Oh, very good, Koko. Yeah? Is she going to pick up the animals? The giraffe? Oh, the giraffe is eating the hay. Very good, Landon. Why don't you press the branch to make the noise? No, the branch on the tree. Oh, I hear a monkey. Is there another sound it makes? Oh, Koko. Koko's silly. You gonna put the monkey back? Okay. It's a little tricky. Good job. Do you like your new Chuggington set? Oh, it couples easily, right? Was that an easy coupling? Whoop! Down goes your cargo. That's not good. You lost it. Landon, do you not like your new Chuggington playset? Mommy likes it. Do you like it? Yeah. Okay. Mommy will leave you alone now. Have fun playing.